Hello students, exercise 11.2 question number 4. The diagonal of a quadrilateral R-shaped field is 24 meter. Diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter, means this is given 24 meters, and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite side. This is the perpendicular dropped and this one is the perpendicular dropped. They are given as 8 meter and the 13 meter. Then you have to find out the area. Area of the quadrilateral can be found by the sum of this triangle area and this triangle area, and the triangle area is given as half into base into height. So for the first triangle, let us name it as A, B, C, D. Then for triangle A, B, D, this is equals to half into 24 into 13. And for the second triangle, that is for the triangle BCD, this will be half into 24 into 8. Now you can see that half into 24, this is common in both, and the sum of quadrilateral area is triangle ABD plus triangle BCD. So what we see that half into 24 into 13 plus half into 24 into 8. So you can just cancel here as 12 and 12, then 12 into 13 plus 12 into 8, and 12 is common. You just directly can also find by the multiplication, or 12 is common. 13 plus 8, 13 plus 8 is 21, so 12 into 21, this will be the area, which is equals to 252 meter square. So this is the area. We can just find out the area using this formula, or by the using of the formula of the trapezium also, where this is half into 24 is common in both. So half into base is common and the sum of the altitudes. Next question is, you have to find out the area of a rhombus, where the diagonals are given as 12 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. So for a rhombus, because all the four sides are equal and these are the perpendiculars making the 90 degree diagonal, they are bisecting at 90 degree. So the formula comes to be as half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So using this formula, this is equals to half into 12 into 7.5. What we see that 6 times, and 6 into 7.5, which is equals to 45 centimeter square. Next question is to find out the area of a rhombus whose side, this one of the side is given as 5 centimeter, and the altitude, this is the altitude given. Now we know that this rhombus is a kind of parallelogram. So area of a rhombus when base and altitude are given is given as base into altitude, that is height, base into height. So this is equals to 5 into 4.8 centimeter square, or multiplication of this, which is equals to 24 centimeter square. Now again it is given that if one of the diagonal is given 8 centimeter, then you have to find out the other. We know that for a rhombus, when the diagonals are given, then area of rhombus is also given by half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So we equate this as 24 4. One of the diagonal is given as 8 and the other diagonal we have to find out. So just cancelling it 4 times. The other diagonal D2 is equals to 24 upon 4, which is equals to 6 centimeter. So the other diagonal is 6 centimeter. Next question is the floor of a building. It consists of 3000 tiles which are in the rhombus shape. The rhombus shape tiles are there, and likewise there are 3000 tiles which are covering out the total floor area of a building. So we need to find out that cost of polishing the floor. All the tiles, they will cover up the total floor area. So total floor area is 3000 into the area of one tile, or is equals to 3000 into, now because the diagonals are given as 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter, so it is given as half into 45 into 30. Now cancelling of this, 15 3s is 45, so 45,000 into 45, which is equal to 2025000. This is in centimeter square. Now we have to find out for the meter square. So dividing it by 10,000, 2025000 upon 10,000 meter square, because 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So to convert this into meter square, we have to divide by 10,000. Cancelling it, 3 zeros will cancel off. This is 202.5 meter square. Now the rate is given at the cost ₹4. So total cost is 4 into 202.5. Finding out the answer of this, you will get on multiplication. So this is in this video. Now in next video, I'll be telling you more examples, more questions.